Any mention?
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 9 on behalf of the petitioner. My Lord, I pray if the matter can come after 2 weeks because the conducting counsel, he wants to appear physically, my Lord, to conduct the matter. I seek consent of the...
Yes,
of the
Lordship. I have no objection.
objection.
No objection, my lord.
9, 2 weeks on the request of the petitioner. Yes.
Much obliged.
Please, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 15, my lord.
Yes.
Due to some difficulties, my lord, I am seeking time.
Some difficulty.
No problem, Lord.
How long? How long? How much?
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
Say.
Fine.
Yes.
Obliged.
Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 14 on behalf of NG Shella. My Lord, I pray if the matter can come after 2 weeks, my Lord.
Objection.
14 on the request of the respondent. After 2 weeks. Yes.
Pardon?
You said anything? Did you say anything?
No objection.
On the request of the state respondent? List of requests. Yes.
Much obliged. Your Lordship, accept prayer for item number 6.
Item number 6.
Lordship.
Yes. What happened?
Lord, I pray for some time, my Lord. We are not ready, my Lord.
Why you are not ready? It's 2019 matter. Yeah, supposed to be fully ready now. Who is petitioner?
Lordship, actually, the conducting counsel, Mr. A.H. Kawalang, he's not keeping well. He's been hospitalized, Lordship. So,
He's in hospital.
Lordship.
What happened to him?
I think he fainted, Lordship. Is safe.
Here in Shillong.
Lordship.
Who is petitioner? Who is petitioner?
He's from Gauti, Lordship.
Nobody is representing. You just inform them. How long you want?
Lordship, for 2 weeks, Lordship.
This is also on the request of the state respondents. List after 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
You inform. You just please inform.
Will do, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 4, Your Lordship. Your Lordship.
Item number 4.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I've already seek the prior consent of the learned petitioner counsel, Your Lordship. Mr. Jha.
This court could not get it.
Your Lordship, I've already seek the prior consent of the petitioner counsel, Your Lordship.
No, why do you want adjournment? This is 2017 matter.
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship, as the learned DAG is on sanction leave, Your Lordship.
He's on leave.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have informed the petitioner already.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, this also on the request made on behalf of Mr. Soinchal on his DSJ. List after 2 weeks.
Similar prayer for item number 10 as well, Your Lordship.
Item number 10.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Item number 10 also. Who is the petitioner? Item number 10.
I'm the petitioner, my lord. I don't have any objection. He's on leave.
This also 2 weeks on the same order. Only 10.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Obliged.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11. I pray for some accommodation, my lord. Due to personal difficulty, I'm not ready today.
Okay, you are paying for the petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
When do you want it?
2 weeks, my lord.
No mention was made just now. 11. No, this is
11, no, my lord.
yes.
Yes.
Okay. This also 2 weeks on the request. Okay.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12, Your Lordship. The arguing counsel, Mr. Cuban, is indisposed, Your Lordship. I kindly pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
You have no objection, Lordship.
2 weeks on the request of the petitioner.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Very causeless. Item number 1.
So this is for, I think, for notice only. The service is completed.
Notice has been. The ID card has not yet been received.
So then we can wait for some more time.
Okay. The service report of. Okay, Evit service.
Service, yes.
For the sole respondent. In that earlier matter, the steps to be taken in 2 days. Okay, where we said Mr. Priti Sangha? Yes.
Hearing item number 5.
Yes, Mr. Lodge.
My lords, this is a matter concerning declaration of the petitioners as a willful defaulter. Now, the bank, my lords, which was originally contesting the matter, has sold its stakes to the private company, my lords, which I think my learned friend is representing. But Mr. Datta, who was appearing for the bank, my lords, he is not before your lordships. The bank admits by way of an affidavit that they have, my lords, offloaded their liability in favor of the private respondent now.
So they are no more required to be a respondent.
My lords.
So his absence will not be material.
Fatal. I don't think it should be fatal because the fact of the matter remains, my lords, there was IRP proceedings, and my lords, under that the matter was then taken up by the board of creditors, and the banks have offloaded their entire liability in favor of the private respondent.
So you can proceed there. It means.
My lords.
Yes, the other side is ready. You are ready.
My lords, my instructions were that we will not be contesting the matter.
You are representing?
Respondent number 4, my lord, Jumbo Roofing and Tiles Private Limited.
Then who else are the respondents?
Well, it was only the banks. The banks had declared us as willful defaulters. What has happened is, my lords, that since the default itself has been cured, in my humble submission, my lords, there would be no occasion for us to remain as willful defaulters.
So then what remains in this matter?
Well, it's the notice of willful defaulter declaring me as willful defaulter remains.
Which will it have? Now, what kind of bearing it will have now at this?
My lords, it has a bearing on my credit rating, my lords. What happens is, my lords, that there is a procedure that is
So
to
then
be...
in such a case, I think at least, if that be the thing, at least somebody from the bank, if somebody is...
Mr. Datta was earlier representing the bank.
Concerned, then we can
Close the matter.
Close the matter.
We can close the matter.
Otherwise, we have to hear you pass an order on merit.
My lords.
Isn't it?
In my humble submission, my lords, I would humbly submit that the bank definitely, my lords, would be required, but the
Because
issue...
it is they themselves have declared you willful defaulter.
My lords, now my only case is that once the default has been itself been cleared, where is the question of somebody remaining as a willful defaulter? We can fix the matter sometime next week, my lords. I will request Mr. Datta to seek instructions from the bank. This is the Bank of India, my lords.
His counsel is from outside or is from here?
From Guwahati, my lords.
We do not have a local counsel from the bank here.
In this matter, my lords, he was appearing. He was coming from Guwahati. Because this was a consortium of banks, my lords. There were 5 banks which had given the loan. Now, all these 5 banks, my lords, had taken the matter to the IRP, my lords. And under that, the entire matter has been resolved. The private respondent has purchased the entire liability. And, my lords, that aspect of the matter has come to an end. We've lost control of the entire company. That entire company is gone. Now the private respondent is the owner of the company. The dues of the bank have been liquidated by the respondent.
So private respondent has no say here in this matter.
Well, if in my humble submission, if anybody has a say, it is them, because they have purchased the entire liability. So if they don't want to contest the matter,
so far as the declaration that you are a willful defaulter, that has come from the bank.
Bank.
So
the bank would have to, my lords, appear before your lordships and say that
at least say like
they filed an affidavit saying that their liability has been disposed of.
No, but then do they say that they do not have any objection?
No, they don't say that.
If that remark is interfered
with. They don't say that. They don't say that. So, which is why, my lords, your lordships will probably have to hear the matter. You can have it after a week, my lords. I'll
There
try
is no
and
problem for this court, but then the only thing is that there should be informant, there should be here.
I'll inform Mr. Datta, my lords.
Okay. Mr. Capable, Lord, Senior Counsel, assisted by so and so. And also MS so and so appearing with the respondent. None appears for the respondent number 1 and 2. 1, 2, and 3. There are only 3 respondents, Mr.
3, my lords, and subsequently the private respondent was impleted as R4, my lords.
None appears for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3. It appears that the participation of respondent number 1, 2, 3 is necessary for deciding the issue involved in this matter. And hence the matter stands adjourned for a week. Shall we say you will inform? It's not required. Why to burden you?
No, I'll inform him, my lords.
Otherwise, you inform just.
Others.
Just. What is it? Hence the matter. Last.
What has happened is now the bank has got its money, my lords. They are no longer keen to contest these matters.
List accordingly. If they next day they are not there, then we'll just proceed with it. And you also have kindly just that is what is your say like you have must something yes or no something. You see, do you have any objection to the prayer made in these things?
No, Your Honor.
Anyway, the next day you just come with these things. If they are not there, then we'll just take your thing and just decide.
Obliged.
Item number 7.
Yes.
My lord, in item number 7, I have filed a miscellaneous application for impleading the managing committee as a party, my lord.
There is an order to that effect.
My lord, there is an order, my lord, order dated. My lord,
Now, can we implement them without hearing them?
my lord.
Anyway, you'll do one thing. Yes.
Notice go.
State has no objection.
State has no objection. Okay. Hard. MSR Datta, Learned Counsel, appearing for the applicant. Come on. So this is an application analogous to Order 1, Rule 10 CPC. For implement of the managing committee of Pushkanipara SSA UP School as party respondent number 8 in the writ petition number 286 of 2019. It was a 19 matter when implementing somebody after
My lord,
6
at the
5
time of
years.
filing the writ petition, my lord.
They will come, they will appear, they will file their reply, they will
My lord.
take time, then we will file rejoinder. Another 5 years will go. Okay. The Learned Counsel submits that during the previous course of hearing of the writ petition number 286 of 2019. Come on. It has found that the managing committee of the FSO school would be necessary for just an effective adjudication of the matter. And hence the managing committee of the school is required to be implemented. The writ petition is responded by it as they respond by it. Stop. Mr. S. and Gipal and additional senior GM has no objection to the prayer made in this application. Stop. Give a paragraph. Considering the submissions made by the parties, this application is allowed. The managing committee of Puskanipara SSA EP school is added as a party respondent, added as respondent number 8 in the WPC number so and so. What we said, just say the last part. Allowed, you give a full stop, then thereafter you say so and so. Give stop. That will do. Oh, sorry, and then the petitioner shall take necessary steps to correct the cost title of the writ petition number so and so. Give a full stop, then come to the main case. Then you say, in view of order passed in WPC in this case number 81 of 2024 today, comma, the such and such stand implemented at managing committee, okay, as the respondent number 8 in the writ petition. Stop. The petitioner shall take necessary steps for service of notice upon the said respondent within 2 days.
Madam.
List after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Item number 8.
Non-APS for the year.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of Mr.
State.
Kepi.
That's one number 1.
State.
Yes. The Mr. So and so appears for the state respondent. List after.
Please,
2
Lordship.
weeks. Yes.
Lordship, we just come up from the CJS court, so
You are appearing for?
the petitioner.
Yes.
So
Yes.
Number 8.
yes.
Number 8.
Sorry. This court had passed order for adjourning the thing. Anyway.
Oh, is it, Milord? All right.
No. But then here there is it has been recorded non-APS for the petitioner.
Oh, sorry, Milord.
Anyway, just it's okay. Just cancel this. You are ready? Otherwise, Mr. Chakraborty.
Milord, in this matter, Milord, if your lordship recollects, the respondents, the Advocate General was appearing, and he had raised the question of maintainability on the ground that the association has come before your lordships. So his point was that since the matter,
What is the matter involved here?
Milord, it pertains to promotions. Promotions, and it is
That is why that becomes a question why association is.
that was they are raising that question And at that time, on that day, your lordship had expressed the mind that probably the maintainability will have to be taken up first.
Anyway, this matter is already in the hearing thing, isn't it?
Already in the hearing.
So assumption is that it is admitted.
My lord, my lord.
So normally the question of maintainability is decided.
My lord, earlier. My lord, my lord.
See, earlier there was a system in the writ petition after the issuance of office. Issuance of rule was necessary before it is listed for final hearing.
My lord.
But then that practice has gone now. The issuance of rule means the admission of the matter.
My lord.
That means
nowadays that is not.
That means one petitioner, you see, come across all those hurdles of maintainability, locus standi, and all those things.
Everything is taken care of.
Then you come for.
My lord.
Very kind.
So
Maybe Lordship
that is
can
what-
bring
so
back
anyway, what is to be done today?
I don't know whether
he's coming next week, Your Lordship.
he has been appearing also.
It's okay, but then when shall we list it? Again,
He's coming on second week only.
you had any objection about the matter being adjourned today?
No. Because my lord, the matter is pending for quite some time, and there is no such great urgency in it. Only some.
Then we can
points
have
in
it after 2 weeks.
My lord.
So who will appear? You are there for response number 1, and then who else is there?
MECL is respondent number 2.
It's R. Colony. 2, 11 and 14. Then who are the other respondents?
No, the others are private respondents.
They have not entered it.
They have not entered.
In spite of issuance of notice.
My lord. 11 and 12 are the.
You have challenged those private respondents' promotion.
My lord.
So if your petition is allowed, then that will have a consequence on them.
My lord. Absolutely. But my lord, the service was done. They never. Probably they expect that the MECL will
defend them. Normally that is for MECLs, but even then, when challenging their benefit.
They have been made parties, but they never.
Anyway, heard Mr. S. Chakraborty, Lord Senior Counsel, assisted by so and so. Also Mr. K. Khan along with so and so. For the along so and so for the response number 4. None appears for the response number 2, 11 and 14. AG is not appearing as AG in the MECL matter. He is appearing as a counsel. We'll just say list this matter.
Lordship, yes.
Item number 13.
Yes, Mr. Roy.
Yes, Your Lordship. Sir, representing government, sir.
Yes, what is the matter about?
Your Lordship, this is the matter where. Before my learned friend begins, Mr. Karwanlang, who is also having this brief, my lord, so
he was appearing in this matter.
Yes, my lord.
His hospitalized have been.
That's what I am told.
The court has been informed. What should be done? Mr. Sheila, you are appearing for?
Private response.
And this is what is the matter about?
This is the matter where there is a alleging that there is a breach of contract, which in breach of contract they have lost an FIR.
So this is a quashing application for
quashing.
quashing.
482 applications.
482 application for quashing of FIR.
No, Your Lordship's quashing of FIR along with the GR case, Your Lordship.
Anyway, this means this case has been charge sheeted.
Charge sheeted, Your Lordship.
Trial is going on.
Trial is going on.
And what is the section involved?
419, Your Lordship. Cheating by personation.
So there is no compromise between the parties. Okay. So you will be contesting.
Yes, sir.
And what is the grounds sought in this? Tell us, what is your main ground?
Your Lordships, that cheating, my main ground is that I have well complied with the agreement as I have entered with the respondent number 2.
There is no cheating.
There is no cheating.
That is what your case is.
Yes.
And then what else?
That's the ground where the FIR has.
Whether there is a cheating or no cheating, let the trial court decide it. Why should be? 482 is not a lookout for
that.
My lord, now the trial has commenced. One witness has already been examined. There are just 5 witnesses in this case.
Your Lordship, if on the face of the FIR or the charge sheet, if I able to establish before Your Lordships that there is no criminal case can be constituted against the petitioner, then it can be passed, Your Lordships, under 482, Your
So
Lordships.
you want to say that there is no criminal intention on your
Intentions,
part.
Your Lordship.
And there is no violation
of contract as well, Your Lordship.
But then will it be, see, like that means we have to enter into merits.
Lordship,
how-
yes.
So how, to what extent we can extract?
Very, very limited scope. Had it been Koshigan FIR, Lordship, initial
Anyway,
stage.
we'll just see, let him procure the file, Mr. Swangupta.
Lordship, we'll just see. We don't have the file right now.
We'll just say you'll have to just say Mr. Karwanlang is
Absolutely.
received. Okay, just we'll just adjourn it on the request of the state respondents, and then we'll have it after 2 weeks. Will be enough for you. Okay, just on the request, it is reported that Mr. A. Karwanlang, he's also additional senior.
Additions involved.
Additional senior GLO, who is handling this matter on behalf of the state, is not well. And a prayer has been made on behalf of the state to adjourn the matter. The counsel for the petitioner has no objection. Prayer allowed at least after 2 weeks. We procure the file and then we'll just see next week. If these are small matters, then we should finish it. Why to?
Lordship is correct. Lordship is correct.
Second call, item number 1.